everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the 2 free emotes in Vernal Prayers event in Heartopia. So yeah, there's a new event right now, and the best part is you can claim these emotes completely for free, and it's super easy. First, just tap on the globe icon, this one, and then next just go to the Vernal Prayers tab, this one, and then in here you can see the two emotes available to claim over here. All you need to do is just tap the button at them at this area, and it might say something like claim or something similar, but yeah, just press that button, the button over here, and just like that the emotes will be instantly added to your collections. Just open your emotes and then just tap on actions, select actions, this one, and then you will get these emotes like this, and this one, okay, like this. And okay, that's all for this tutorial. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.